As a young child, I learned to be honest and true. To the things I believe in my heart, even when this old world is cold. Yes, I learned to be brave, and I learned to defend the precious things of the Savior, and endure to the end. As I strive to hold on to the things that I know are true. Temptations, they beckon to me and try to subdue. It takes courage to live and nothing to And now I plead for His mercy as I struggle to choose. Courage is doing what's right in the presence of me. It takes courage to do what I should when no one is near. Courage is my way of saying I when the world walks around me.